good morning. My name is Alini Aulia Rahmadanti. So my student number ESPG 923014. A. Abandon. She had to abandon the project due to lack of funding. Absorb. The smoke can absorb a large amount of water. Accelerate. The car began to accelerate as it entered the highway. Accept. He decided to accept the job offer. Accomplish. She worked hard to accomplish her goal. Accuse. They accused him of stealing of document. Achieve. With dedication, you can achieve success. Acquire. He managed to acquire valuable skill during the course. Act. We must act now to prevent further damage. Adapt. Animals often adapt to their surroundings to survive. Add. Don't forget to add sugar to the recipe. Address. She will address the concern recited by the staff. Adjust. You might need to adjust the brightness of the screen. Administer. The nurse will administer medicine. Admire. I really admire her dedication to her work. Adopt. They decide to adopt a child. Adore. She adores her new puppy. Advise. The teacher will advise you on which course to take. Advocate. She continues to advocate for social justice. Affect. The new policy will affect everyone in the company. Aim. The archer will aim carefully before wrestling the arrow. Allow. We make sure to align the edges before cutting. Allocate. The manager will allocate research for the new project. Allow. In a school, does not allow cell phone in a class. Alter. The tailor will alter the dress to fit her better. Amaze. His performance will amaze the audience. Analyze. The scientist will analyze the data thoroughly. Anchor. The ship will anchor near to harbor. Answer. Please answer the question honestly. Anticipate. We anticipate the field traffic during the holiday season. Appear. She will appear on stage at 8 p.m. Applaud. The audience began to applaud loudly after this show. Apply. You need to apply for a visa before traveling. Approve. The board must approve the new policy. Argue. They often argue over smell issue. Arrange. She will arrange the flower in a vase. Arrest. The police will arrest the suspect tonight. Ascend. The hiker will ascend the mountain at dawn. Assemble. They will assemble the furniture in a living room. Assess. We need to assess the risk before proceeding. Assign. The teacher will assign homework to the class. Assist. She will assist him to his project. Assume. I assume you already complete the assignment. Attack. The troops were ordered to attack at dawn. Attempt. He will attempt to climb the highest peak. She plans to attend his convert next week. Attract. Bright colors often attract attention. Audit. The company will audit its financial record next month. Avoid. You should avoid eating too much junk food. Await. We eagerly wait the result of the competition. Award. She will award the winner with a trophy. B. Babble. The child began to babble incoherency. Back. He backed his car out of the driveway slowly. Bake. She loved to bake fresh cookies every weekend. Balance. He tried to balance his work and personal life. Ban. The government decided to ban the harmful substance. She accidentally banged her head against the cupboard. The dog barked loudly at the stranger. Beth, she liked to bathe in warm water after a long day. They battled hard to win the championship. Beam. He beamed with pride as they accepted the award. Back, he homeless man begged for food on the street corner. Behave. The teacher reminded the student to behave during a trip. Believe. Do you believe in the life or other plans? Man, she bent the wire into the shape of heart. Bet, I bet can finish the race faster than me. Bite. She bite into the juicy apple. Blink. He blinked as the bright light hit his eyes. Block. She struck block the entrance to the parking lot. Blush. She blushed when they accomplished his outfit. Boss. He often boasts about his expensive car. Boil. She should boil the water after adding the pasta. Bomb. The enemy threatened the bomb the city. Book. She booked a table for two at the fancy restaurant. Both. The exercise program helped boost her energy level. Borrow. He borrowed a jacket from his friend. Birds. The basketball bunch of the rim. Box. He boxed up the gift and wrapped them neatly. Brace. He braced for the cold wind as stepped outside. He woke suddenly when he saw the deer on the road. Branch. The three branches stretched out over the path. Brand. The brand their cattle to mark our ownership. Break. She broke the silence with a loud laugh. Bird. She struggled to break in the smoke-filled room. Bribble. They attempt to bribble the official to get a permit. Brush. He brushed his hair before handing to the meeting. Bubble. The child loved to blow bubbles in the air. Puil. They planned to build a break of the river. Bump. She bumped into him while rushing to catch the bus. Brand. The touch burned because he lived into the lawn. Branch. He branched into a room with exciting news. Bus. I usually bus to school to save on gas. Buy. He decided to buy a new laptop during the sale. Buzz. The dorm bus overhead as the capture footage. C. Calculate. The scientists calculate the distance between the two planes. Call. The teacher called the student to the front of the class. Camp. We decided to camp near the lake this summer. Cancel. They had to cancel the flight due to the bad weather. Capture. The artist captured the beauty of the sunset on canvas. Care. Nurse cared the patient with the design of empathy. Carry. He carried the box into the strong room. Carve. They carved their ideas into the old oak tree. Catch. The first man caught a big tuna this morning. Celebrate. They will celebrate the holiday with a family gathering. Challenge. He challenged his friend to a cheese mate. Change. The weather changed drastically within a few hours. Chart. The captain charted the ship's course of the next journey. Chase. The police chased the suspect through the busy street. Check. She checked her phone for a new message. Cheer. The crowd cheered as the fireworks lit up the sky. Choose. He chose a new pair of the shoes for occasion. Circle. The plane circled the city before landing. Clean. The janitor cleaned of the office every evening. Clear. He cleared his schedule to spend time with his family. Climb. He climbed the ladder to reach the top shelf. Close. He closed the door softly to avoid waking the baby. Coach. The coach advised the team to focus on the defense. Collect. He collected postcards for all over the work. Color. The children colored the picture with bright crayon. Combine. The recipe combines traditional flavor with modern technique. Come quickly, you are missed the train. Comfort. She comforted her friend after the bad news. Command. The general commanded his troop to stand down. Communicate. The key communicate through sign language during the presentation. Compete. Athletes for all over the world compete in the tournament. Complain. She complained about the noisy neighbor last night. Complete. She completed the puzzle in record time. Compass. The poet composed a beautiful sonnet for her love. Computer. The system computes that is real time. Considerate. She needed a considerate on her studies for the final exam. Conceptualist. The architect conceptualized a modern design for the building. Conclude. They conclude the meeting with a vote of thanks. Conduct. He orchestra conduct a stunning performance last night. Confess. He confessed his role in the prank with his teacher. Connect. The two cities will soon be connected by a high-speed train. Consider. Please consider my proposal before making a decision. Consist. The recipe consists of just 3 simple ingredients. Contract. Work or construction a break of the river. I will consult a lawyer before signing the contract. Consume. The machine consumes a lot of energy during operation. D. Dance. The child danced joyful at the school event. There, he dare her jump into the freezing water. Dash. She dashed into the store before it closed. Deal. He know how to deal with difficult situation calmly. Debate. He debate the benefit of renewable energy source. Debug. The programmer debug the code to fix the error. Decelerate. The driver decelerate as they approach the traffic light. Decide. She decided to take the census round home. Decorate. They decorate the living room with fairy lights. Decrease. The company saw a decrease in profit last quarter. They see that he decided his speech to lead mentor. Defend. The team defend their leader the championship. Delay. The flight was delayed by 2 hours due to the technical issue. Delegate. She delegated the responsibilities to her assistant. Demand. The customer demand a full refund for the defective product. Demonstrate. The teacher demonstrated the experience step by step. Deny. He did not know anything about the incident. Depart. The bus depart every morning at 7. Depend. The project success depend on everyone's collaboration. Deposit. She deposit her paycheck into her saving account. Describe. He described the view for the top of mountain vividly. Design. The company designed a new logo for a rebranding. Decide. He decided to travel the world someday. Decide 3. The storm destroyed several houses along a coast. Detect. Decide detect even the small change in temperature. Determine. They determine to improve their performance in the next game. Develop. He is developed a new app for online learning. Devote. She devote all her energy to completing the project. Diagnose. The doctor diagnosed him with a rare illness. Tell. She told his a number but could not respond. E. Earn. She earned enough money to buy her dream car. They ate dinner at Cozy Little Restaurant. Edit. The editor carefully edited the manuscript for publication. Educate. The campaign aimed to educate people about crane sailing. Elaborate. He elaborated on his plan during the meeting. Elect. The cities elect a new mayor last year. Eliminate. They eliminate to outdated rules, streamline the process. Embarrassed. He was embarrassed when he tripped on stage. Emphasize. The speaker emphasized the importance of self-care. Employ. The employee employed hundreds of the work from the area. Eject. The pilot ejected from the jet just in time. Elaborate. Can you elaborate on the point for clarity? Elect. The group elect her as leader. Elevate. The surgeon elevated the patient leg to reduce swelling. Eliminate. They eliminate all unnecessary steps in the process. Embark. He embarked on journey across an ocean. Embrace. They embraced after being apart for so long. Emit. She made shine emit a humming sound when operating. Employ. She employed her creativity in every project she undertook. Empower. The program empowered women to start their own business. Enable. This software enables users to edit video easily. Encourage. He encouraged his treatment before the game and story and on a surprising note. Endorse. The celebrity endorsed the brand in a commercial. Endure. She endorsed years of hard work to achieve her dream. Engage. The speaker engaged the audience with powerful story. Enhance. They enhanced the photo using editing software. He enjoyed spending time outdoor with his family. Ensure. The guide ensured to the safety of all heirs on the trail. Enter. We enter the museum through the main gate. Entertain. The clown entertained the children at the party. Enumerate. The teacher enumerated the rules of the competition. Envision. She envisioned a future where renewable energy powers offered. Escape. The prisoner tried to escape through the tunnel. Establish. The organization established a new branch in the city. Estimate. The manager estimated the cost of the project. Evolve. The company evolved into a global leader over time. Examine. The scientists examined the samples under a microscope. Exit. Their sales exceed all expectation this year.